back to my channel. Today is Saturday and there's not much going on at home. Coco just had her desexing done, so she needs to stay home and rest most of the time. So right now I decided to go to do a thrift shopping. So I'm going to the Moorabbin, Savers Moorabbin superstore, and let's see if I can find something like a hidden treasure or whatever it is. I just want to look around, maybe a jacket for winter because it's getting a little bit colder here in Melbourne. Yeah, because it's already fall, like fall already started. But today's sunny day. It's a nice day. So yeah, come with me and let's go find something. So I just arrived at the parking lot of Savers. I don't know if you can see, is that Savers? Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys around. So cute. Back home. I am gonna show you everything that I bought from Savers. Let's start with the clothes. So I bought this jacket. It's from Jordana for $12. It's actually really good for winter and it's my size, so I bought it. Since I'm gonna travel to Philippines to see my family in a month, so I bought like for summer, got like 3 like ribbons like this, and it's for $13. Not bad. I didn't want to take it, but it looks so cute. Then I got t-shirts for working out. I got one from Adidas and it's for $6. Really nice. I got another one for $8. I like the color and it says training day. I don't know the brand. Yeah, the brand is Training Day. Okay. I bought 2 cooking books. Of course, I got one for desserts. Desserts that I've never made before. Like this one, coffee mugs. Looks so yum. And for sure I'm gonna try and make it. And what else I have? They got mousse, they got pudding, brownies, like chocolate pecan, shortcake. Looks so cute. And yep, I really like it. Triple mousse cake. It's all like different types of desserts, not just cakes or pies. It's all a mix of everything, so I like it. And then since I love cooking as well, so I bought this Asian flavors book. So this is $4.50, which is a good price for a cookbook. And the other one, the desserts one, is also $4.50. Really good. And for the Asian book, it's mostly like because I saw dumplings and stuff. Let me show you. Yeah, and I really wanna start to try and make dumplings because I've never done it before. And they got veggie dumplings and really nice pictures too. Okay, and then I bought some stuff for cooking and baking. Banana tin. I lost mine long ago. I don't know where it went, so I bought a new one. And this one is just $5. And this mini pot for like when you get to do baked garlic with tomatoes and things like that. And it's oven and microwave safe. Yeah, so it's really good for $4.99 or $5. Good. And the last one I bought is this sizzling plate, like a hot plate. It uses in the Philippines for sisig or sizzling meats, things like that, but mostly what I remember is sisig, that's it. And Franco really likes sisig, so maybe one of these days I'll make one and then I'll put it here to get the real, experience of sisig. And this one is just for $5. $64.46 for everything, which is not bad. Okay, that's it guys. That's all my shopping haul for today. I think right now I'm gonna try and cook because I bought yesterday to make sushi. I've been craving for sushi, so yeah, I'll make a video of it and maybe I'll put it together with this video, whatever. Okay, I'll see you guys later. How are you, my baby girl?
I think we should get off the road.
So now I'm gonna bake the sushi bake with fake crab. Let's make it. Now we're gonna put this to bake. Check it every 10 minutes, maybe just 10 minutes.